How to allow or deny screen turn on control permission on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. So you will see apps is here, so click on apps. Now here, so click on this three dot icon. So after click on this three dot icon, click on special access. So after click on special access, scroll down to end, you will see turn screen on is here. So if you want to allow, so first of all click on. So if you want to deny screen turn on control permission, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see screen turn on control permission is denied. So if you want to allow screen turn on control permission, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see screen turn on control permission is allowed. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can allow or deny screen turn on control permission on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.